Good morning, children. How are you? See, children, in our second class grammar, what we are discussing? We have discussed the questions related to is, am, are. And we are now revising our topic wise. And we have discussed nouns. That is what we have discussed. Nouns discussed చేసాము. Now today we are going to discuss about fourth chapter. What is that? Our fourth chapter, children? Singular and plural. What is singular? What is plural? Singular and plural. If you see, children, here singular and plural, the word which refers to only one thing is known as singular. Singular means it refers to only one thing. It refers to only one thing. It refers to only one thing. Okay. And when we are talking about the plural, children, it refers to more than one thing. Plural means it refers to more than one thing. It refers to more than one thing. అంటే ఒకటి ఉంటేనన్నా సింగులర్. ఇఫ్ we are talking about only one thing, then it is known as singular. If we are talking about more than one thing, then it refers to the plural. Okay. If we see, children, some plurals are formed by adding yes. Now let us take few of the plurals which form by adding only yes. Okay, few plurals we are discussing here, children, which are formed by adding only yes. Suppose book. ఎలా ఫ్రేమ్ అవుతుంది నాన్న? yes, books. How we can frame, children, book plural? By adding yes. Okay. Car. What is the plural for car, children? Cars. Okay, here plurals are formed by adding yes. Next, children, pen. If we talk about the pen, how the pen plural forms, children? By adding yes, pens. Okay. Next, children, table. How we can frame the plural of table, children? Tables. T-A-B-L-E-S. Tables. Next one, wall. Walls. Wall plural, walls. See, children, some plurals are formed by adding only yes. Some plurals are formed by adding only yes. Book plural, books. Car plural, cars. Pen plural, pens. Table plural, tables. Wall plural, walls. So some plurals are formed by adding yes. Here what we have learned, singular means only one. Only one. Book, chair, table, car, etc. And plural means more than one. అంటే అవి రెండు అయి ఉండొచ్చు, మూడు అయి ఉండొచ్చు, నాలుగు అయి ఉండొచ్చు. ఓకే. So some plurals are formed by adding es also, children. Now let us see the plurals which are formed by adding es. Okay, some plurals are formed by adding only yes, but some are formed by adding es. Okay. Even what type of words take es, children? Words ends with or ending with, ends with ch, sh, x, o, etc. form plural by adding es. See, children, by adding es. Suppose branch undi, branch, branch. What is the plural of branch, children? Here ch to end ayi undi. So branches, branches, branches. Next, if we talk about bush, bush, bush. What is the plural of bush, children? Bushes. Bushes, bushes. Okay. Next, class. If we talk about class, children, what is the plural of class, amma? Classes. CLASSES, classes. Okay. Box, BOX, box. Boxes, BOXES, boxes. Okay, children. Sometimes tomato, TOMATO, tomato. If we are going to frame the plural, children, we have to add es, TOMATOES, tomatoes. Potato, 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 potatoes. POTATOES, potatoes. So the words which ends with SS, CH, X or Y, we have to add ES to frame the plural. See, children, few of the words have been given to you in your textbook. Let us have a look. Book plural, books. Hand plural, hands. Pen plural, pens. Table plural, tables. Wall plural, walls. Next, Nana, the words which are ending with CH. Bench plural, benches. Box plural, boxes. Branch, BRANCH, branch plural, branches. Brush, brush plural, brushes. Watch plural, watches. Okay, now let us see, Nana, the plurals formed by adding IES. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం నేర్చుకున్నాం? SES. Now let us learn how to write the plurals with IES. Okay, children? Some plurals are formed by adding IES. Okay. Some plurals are formed by adding IES. M words, words ends with Y. Words with Y. Words with consonant plus Y. Consonant plus Y. Form plural by replacing Y with IES. By replacing Y with IES. Okay, మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది చూడండి మా. స్టోరీ, STORY, story. Here the word is ending with Y, but Y before there is a consonant. So to write the plural, Y we have to strike out and we have to write STORIES, stories. Okay, next, children, baby, BABY, baby. Here Y is also again ending with Y and Y before again here consonant, and to write the plural we have to write babies, BABIES, babies. Okay, Nana? City, CITY. ఇక్కడ చూడండి అమ్మ, word again the word ends with Y and Y before there is a consonant. To write the plural we have to write cities, CITIES, cities. Next one, children, fly, 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 and Y before again it is a consonant, children. We have to write FLIES, flies. Okay, next one, lady, 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 and here again Y before consonant. Here we have to write again LADIES, ladies. Okay, Y before consonant ఉంటే గనక Y place లో మనం IES రాయాలి. We have to write IES to write the plural. Let us learn another type of the plural by adding VES. By adding VES. If the word ends with F or FE, if the word ends with F or FE, the word ends with F or FE, it forms plural. It forms plural by replacing F or FE with VES. Now if you see calf, 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 replace ante తీసేసి రాయటం. We have to write calves, CALVES, calves. Shelf, 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 replace F with VES, SHELVES, shells. Next wife, 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 here again replace FE with VES, WIVES, wives. Next knife, 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 here again FE we have to replace, KNIVES, knives. So in this way children we have learned to write the plurals with VES. Now let us revise once children what we have learned here. See, calf, calves, knife, knives, thief, thieves, wolf, wolves. Okay, so the words are formed plurals by adding yes, by adding es, by adding ves, and by adding ies. Tomorrow in our next session of the grammar children we will learn few more rules how to write the plurals. Okay children, revise whatever we have learned. What is singular, what is a plural, how the plurals are formed. Have a nice day.